Guys, this area is swarming with beautiful women. Probably more beautiful women in this area than on Walking Street. Where am I at this morning? Well, stay tuned and you'll find out. What's up, everyone, and how is everyone doing out there? I don't know, it's about 6:30 in the morning. I just dropped Hannah Grace off, going out for a walk. You know, I always drive by this area here, and I've been in this area before, but not at 6:30 in the morning. And I'll tell you what, this is like a beehive of activity. Where am I at? Let me show you here. Here's where I'm at. Here's your Jollibee. On the other side of the street there is MacArthur Highway. But this area here is a beehive of activity in the morning. People coming and going to work. To the right is Astro Park. Just look at everybody lined up. They're all lined up waiting for a vehicle to take them where they got to go this morning. Probably all workers. Working up on Clark or coming back from Clark. I have to look here at the vehicles. I said, look at everybody. Everybody, they all lined up, ready to go. That one says, Dawu. Yeah, they all got name tags on. I can see they're, well, not all of them, but some of them have their name tags on. So they're coming from some type of work. Or going to some type of work. Boy, look how busy and active it is through here. Unbelievable. How you doing? Look at it. You got the honkers. Honky honking. Hey, you got some towel. I want you to get run over. Look at everybody. This is a madhouse. All selling snacks. Shoot out here. Look at it. Look at it. It's a beehive. Beehive of activity. Busy. Guys, this is a Tuesday and it's busy like this. Let me walk here. Everybody just gets out, walks out. Can't be afraid, you gotta go. Hope nobody runs you over. Most people will stop. Oh, look at all this. All this morning. It's like little meals ready to go. All boxed up.
Yes, sir.
What's there? Eggs, rice, hot dog.
Rice with hot dog.
Rice with hot dog and egg.
Right.
All right.
Very yummy.
Yeah, masarap, huh? What if people take that to work?
Yeah.
So they'll buy it and then take it to work. So they have, are all these people all going to work?
Yeah.
Everybody, yeah. Work or coming home on Clark. Yeah. A lot of workers go on Clark. Very, very busy. Look at both stands here. You got this stand too. I'm good, Auntie. I'm good, Auntie. Thank you. Either they buy it and need it now, or they're buying it, taking it to work. Boy, that jeepney almost ran my toe over. Good morning. Oh, God bless America. This is your morning work crew, your morning work people. Fish balls. Monday through Friday, it's like this.
Sa aking kontrabida kasi daming nilang pabida mali lang ang napakisin ang nakulista pagkatao
We got it all. We got it all here.
Di ako nakinig. Yeah.
Hot dog.
Di ako naniwala sa
That's
mga
new.
utak-talakang mabababa hindi na bahala sa sarili may tiwala.
Never seen one of those before. Well, I've seen hot dogs, but not no hot dogs with bread and lettuce in it. That's got to be the first. All right, we made it to the other side of the street. We're on the Astro Park side of the street now. Show you what's going on over here. Oh boy, that sun is bright this morning. When you're walking into the sun, I'm at the bright height to where, man, even these sunglasses, these gaiters, sunglasses don't even help. Well, yeah, here we are. Like I said, on the other side of Astro Park. A lot of people come out. You see a lot of expats out here too. They'll come out here, walk around the track. There's a track that runs around the park. Up in the middle, underneath the big old umbrella or the big old hat, they got what do you call it? Zumba classes going on. That's like every morning. How do I know? Because I go down the side street there, or the street there, when I drop Hannah Grace off to go home. Always a Zumba class going on in the morning. So yeah, it's a pretty well-used park in the morning, and at night you'll see a lot of people jammed in there. All right, look at there's my shadow. We're over here in this area here. This is another area where activity going on. People playing basketball. I don't know what everybody's doing. Come in here evening, you'll have kids skateboarding. Used to be volleyball nets here. I don't know what happened to the volleyball nets. This guy set up a shop here. Selling shoes? Know what he's doing? Setting up shop with sneakers. In case you want to go play basketball and you need some sneakers. Oh, guys. Morning, morning. In case you forget your sneakers. In case you forget your sneakers, you can buy some and go play. Yeah.
Some items here is original factory model out from Vietnam.
The originals from Vietnam. Some, not all, huh?
Like Kyrie, Jordan High.
Where are your Jordan highs? How much are your Jordan highs?
Almost goes is
Yeah.
2,300. Yes. 2,300.
2-3. That's what you charge.
Yeah.
All right. I don't need no Jordans. Who was the
Here in
best?
the item, almost 950 also.
Who's the GOAT? Who's the greatest of all time in basketball?
I think
Who? Who?
Stephen Curry.
Steph Curry? You think he is the greatest of all time? All right.
Yeah.
Just asking, not Michael Jordan?
I think.
You think Steph Curry, huh? All right. People have their own opinions, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
But you grew up watching Steph, yeah. So you Golden State fan. Yeah. All right.
Bye.
Hi, my man. Good morning. Lots of activity. Got a girl playing basketball. Morning, morning. Uh-oh. Yeah. All right. Slam dunk. Slam dunk. All right. You like basketball too, huh? Yes? Who's your favorite player? Who? Is that Filipino?
Yeah.
Filipino basketball player.
Didn't know you're from Bata Reyes?
No. I know American basketball. Yeah, I know American basketball.
Is this all American basketball?
Huh?
American basketball?
Yeah.
Filipino?
No,
I'm from Bata Reyes, a billiard champion.
Okay.
A legend.
Yeah. I watch it.
Just kidding it.
Who's the greatest of all time?
MJ.
That's right. MJ, of course, the greatest of all
not
time.
LeBron, it's MJ.
Nah, not LeBron.
LeBron.
Ask her. Oh? It's a good survey. Greatest of all time. What do the Filipinos think? Who do the Filipinos think is the greatest of all time in basketball?
Basketball?
MJ.
In the Filipino?
No. In NBA. Yeah, MJ.
Of course, MJ.
Yeah. All right,
No
my
doubt.
man. No doubt.
Wow. Yeah, he had many time championship.
Sure.
6, I bet.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken.
Six. But
But
who has
games, even
Nah,
there's
nah.
only a few championships with
different teams. But who had the most rings ever in the NBA?
MJ also.
No.
Oh, really?
Bill Russell from the Celtics in the 60s.
I don't know, 60.
60, yeah.
I don't know.
You know how many rings he has?
Yeah.
11.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 11. All right, let me ask these guys. Who's the GOAT? You guys like basketball? Who's the GOAT? Who's the GOAT?
Here.
This MVP.
MVP?
Yeah.
All right.
It's the GOAT.
The GOAT. Who's the GOAT? You guys know who the GOAT is? The greatest of all time.
Yeah.
You go, no?
LeBron James.
That's the manager.
LeBron James? You think LeBron James?
Michael Jordan.
All right. Michael Jordan. How about you? Greatest of all time. Michael? Michael? I'm doing a survey.
Yeah.
Who do the Filipinos think is the greatest of all time? Michael Jordan. All right. Me too. How about you? Greatest of all time. Michael Jordan. Everybody Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan, right?
Depends. The founder, Dennis Rodman.
Yeah, Dennis was good too. Yeah, he was good. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, he was great.
Brian.
Yeah, Kobe.
Hey, Kobe.
That's Kobe.
That's Philippines. Kobe.
All right, cool. All right, GOAT. Who's the GOAT? Greatest of all time? Michael Jordan? Kobe Bryant? Jordan? Overall consensus, Jordan? All right, guys. Thank you. All right, I'm kind of back where I started this morning on my morning walk. I show you all the action that's going on. You know, it's just, you look at all these people are commuting, going somewhere. There are a lot of call centers, lots of call centers up on Clark. And you figure call centers are going to be open. Some are open 24 hours. Some may only be open certain times. But you can figure back in the States, now we turn the clock back. So everything on the East Coast is back to a 12-hour difference between the Philippines and here. If it's 7 o'clock a.m., here it's 7 o'clock p.m. So you figure these people that work in some of these call centers, if they're only open, say, during hours back in the States, you know, that's third shift here. I did speak to a couple people at a call center a while back, and they said their call center was 24/7. But you see all the buses coming through and big vans coming through here. A lot of the call centers and a lot of the businesses up on Clark provide shuttle for their employees. So that's why you'll see a lot of the vans, bigger vans and buses. I asked one of the gentlemen, because there was a really nice bus sitting down there, and he told me, so yeah, that they employ shuttle service for their employees. But boy, is it just so busy through here. I never realized how busy it was. Apologize for the sun. Kind of walking into the sun. But, you know, they come here going to work, coming from work. They're hungry. They grab something here real cheap to eat, tie them over, grab some maybe lunch or whatever for breakfast on their commute to work. It's just, you don't know. You don't know. Tao? What do you got there, buddy? Tao?
No, tao.
That's tao? Rice cake. Okay,
Yes,
you sell rice cake. All right. Oh, yeah, I've had it. Yeah, I've had it. But you don't know. You don't know where everybody's coming and going to. Good morning. We'll scoot over here. There's a couple little stores here too. Like there's a 7-Eleven here. What else is over here? There was a Mr. Donut, but Mr. Donut is gone. Something smells good. Oh, there. Show my. Chocolate. There's your 7-Eleven. Not much here. Some of these are closed. Excuse me, where's everybody work? Up on Clark? Is that where everybody's coming from, Clark?
Some are from Clark, some are from
Oh, okay. Thank you. So there, she said everybody's coming from Clark and different areas up on Clark. Well, everybody's busy. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it's a beehive of activity. All right, let me get out of here. I'm getting hungry. It's time for breakfast. So there it is, guys. There's my morning walk. Man, that sun is still bright. It's bright. It's not hot. It's bright this morning. All right, that's about it. That's a wrap. We'll talk to you later.